Oh right, we're going to make some nettle soup, and we're going to mix it with some wild garlic we got from home, and it's supposed to be absolutely fantastic for you. It's supposed to be a super veg, or whatever you call it. Not quite.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that'll do. That's a lot.
What are you doing in the bush?
I'm going to put the back end of a spoon of mustard in. I'll stir that in a sec. There we go. Leave that for a second.
Pinch of pepper.
Oop.
That's it.
Pinch of pepper. I'm just going to add a little bit more water and we'll leave it for a while. There we go. Maybe even a bit more yet. It's supposed to be soupy. Oh, we'll see. We'll give it a sec. I will. I'll add a little bit more. Right. Let that boil up and then I'll get the whisk out. Well, couple of minutes, that should do it. Okay, so I'm trying to do this as though we're either down the cabin or we're in the motorhome, or going to France or whatever, which we miss. Never mind. Whoops, sorry, beg your pardon. Okay, every time I do something, you can't help it, can they? You know, that's it, and it's just life. So anyway, here we go. One inverter. Get him a bit closer. Negative. Make sure on nice and tight. Positive. And this is what we're using for our liquidiser. All in the garden. I've done a video on this before. And it should be on. I'm not getting the readings, I wonder why. That's probably why. Bloody hell, I put the cap on the wrong way round. I haven't just blown it. No, we're fine. God, that was lucky, silly sods. Always check that. So I'm going to put the caps back on my battery. Right, let's make sure it works. Perfect. Okay, let's give this a razz. 2 seconds. I don't want to brick, I don't want to burn the lawn. How's that looking? Pretty good to me. It smells beautiful. Right, let's see what it looks like. Can you hear the bird? Cute, isn't it? But then you can hear the strimmer as well. Yeah, I might. I'll do a couple of strokes with this, and I'll put some nice music, or I'll sing one of the two. Okay, I'll keep doing this, and I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, what's that look like? Is there any lumps? Look at that.
Try it.
I'll give it a taste, yeah. 2 seconds, then we'll have a proper taste.
Get a spoon.
Look at the colour. Yeah, do you want to try some of this?
Try some in a minute. With a bit of cream in it, you're supposed to have a bit of milk in it.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm going to cream it.
No, that is really nice. Go on, get us. We'll have a try. What I am going to do, just drop a little bit of pepper. A bit more pepper. Not too much. That's not a lot. By the way, it doesn't sting you. It doesn't sting once you blanch them. It's not actually a sting. I don't know what it is. They say it's a sting, but it's something else. But the nettles are really good for you. They're sort of like an anti-detox, whatever they do and say they are. And powerful actual veg. What do they call it? The veg. People have got a myth that they're not good for you because they sting, but they don't. It's fine. I just tried it and it's fine. I'm going to make this so it doesn't.
So you don't want the label?
No. How much would you like, Jane?
Same as you.
It's really nice. Well, you'll see. Tell me what you think.
Okay, well, try that.
Look at that. I'll just put it on the brick.
Quite solid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely green.
It's like we just liquidised Kermit.
That's put me off.
Okay.
Go on, describe the taste.
Well, there's garlic.
Mm-hmm.
You can't taste there's a hint of onion.
You can't really taste potato, it's the consistency.
There's something I want to get. Grassy.
Grassy.
But there isn't. It's not unpleasant. It's really actually very nice. You know, with we've got a bit of mustard.
Slight sweetness of the parsnip.
Feels good. It actually does feel really nice. I mean, that is a really cheap soup. And really good for you as well. But I'm trying to get the texture, the flavour, but if you've never had it before, I know.
Chicken.
Taste the nettles. It's really nice. It's beautiful, honestly. It's actually got a really good feeling about it, hasn't it? Have you tried it?
Yeah. Can't really taste it.
No. But yeah, look at the colour. Definitely doing this again. If you like the vid, give it a thumbs up. That'd be great. Helps the channel, like I said, a lot. And yeah, take care. Keep safe, and we'll catch you in the next video.
It feels special.
It does feel special, doesn't it? Something about it. It's just really nice. There's no lumpy bits. There's nothing like that. There's nothing bad. There's no stingy. It's beautiful soup. Dribbling. Take care. Catch you next one. I'll end the video a little bit more because just to add a topping of parmesan, cheese. Actually beautiful. I'm not joking. Beautiful. We haven't had any bread, and we haven't got any bread because the shop haven't got any, because everybody's still panic buying. I don't know why. Supermarkets are fine, but so we're going to make some bread probably tomorrow. So we'll do a video on that as well. We'll keep doing them. You keep watching them. Cheers.